Hello from the Design Automation Conference 80 in San Francisco. I have the pleasure to be with a company that we know for so long. It's Arteris IP. It's this well-known company about doing Interconnect. I am with Kurt Shuler, which is the VP Marketing. And I think like most of the people today, you will not only speak of Interconnect, but of application. It is hot area like today, artificial intelligence. So I let you tell us the exciting story.
Great. Well, as far as artificial intelligence, there's a few. When we say AI, there's a few different use cases for it. The first one is our customers who are doing chips. These are usually reside in a data center, and it's for the training. Sets tons and tons of data, going through this and actually training for weights, which are then being placed for inference at some type of end device. So for the training chips that we're seeing, a lot of them are companion chips to, let's say, like a Xeon or even add-ons to GPU chips. They're also generally have homogeneous processing elements, so they have a whole bunch of hardware accelerators that are the same, and a lot of them are in meshes. And really, what's different or interesting about the interconnects in those spaces is, one, they're meshes. Two, there's multiple DMAs in there so that you can do multicast and broadcast of different weights throughout a neural net. Now, as things scale up, things can get a little too hard to handle in software. So you are seeing people look at, for portions of the training hardware, looking at using cache coherence in there. And so there are some people doing that. Now on the inference side, so that's given that something has the training weights in it, do I recognize that, hey, I'm going to run into that tree or whatever it is, it could be a voice, whatever. Those chips are very different because they have to be extremely efficient. And what you're finding there is multiple types of hardware accelerators with very complex topologies. So not like a regular topology like a mesh or a ring, but something extremely complex and extremely complex memory architecture in there. And again, the more sophisticated, as they scale that up and scale up the processing that's in those chips, they are implementing cache coherence in some very novel ways. Now, when it comes to the end markets, the big end market where our customers are going after is primarily automotive. That's a huge willingness for people to pay there. So that's where a lot of at least the new technology is going into.
Oh, okay. So automotive would be their main target.
Primarily, there are some general purpose ones. There's video recognition of faces and things like that.
So you are right.
So we have some customers, that start off kind of as IP cameras and from there. Voice, we have customers who are doing voice. But automotive is an area where at least the cool new R&D is being done for that.
And are you completely independent on the technology target?
Yeah. So everything that we produce is synthesizable RTL.
Synthesizable. Okay. Because when I think about automotive, I think about FTSOI and all this stuff.
Oh, yes.
But you are independent, you will go to any kind of this target,
Yes, well, it does affect, depending on what your process node is. So we have customers who are doing 7 nanometer automotive chips, right? So when you look at from a functional safety standpoint and how you go about and analyze and perform, diagnostic coverage analysis of that chip, you have to be quite sophisticated about it. You can't have a billion gate chip at 7 nanometer and say, I'm just going to do some, random netlist-based fault injection campaign. So you got to be really smart about it. And we help our customers out with that. All of that technology is integrated into our interconnect technology.
Okay, I think Arteris seems in very good shape. After so many years, so many evolutions.
This last year has been super. We just announced our 100th customer today.
Unbelievable, everybody, I think in the IP business, people just ramp up again and again. Most of them in the Chinese market. We are very happy to see that.
Yeah, and even with the major incumbents, they're not making as much of their own stuff as they were in the past. They need to get to market.
IP is absolutely ramping up again. Everybody seems to be so happy.
And a lot of system companies too have decided, hey, especially in automotive, you have tier ones who are saying, hey, I'm going to make my own chip rather than buying something off the shelf.
Yeah, people go go back to their old chip.
Yeah.
Absolutely fascinating.
Yeah, you just got to follow your friends on LinkedIn and say, wait a minute, they're not working at a chip company anymore.
We are still there to see all this new story coming.
Yeah. it's always
So congratulations for the
Thank you.
next step of
changing.
Arteris.
Congratulations on you too. It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's a long time. Thank you.
Thank you.